So here is the Hawk DLX 250 electronic fuel injection. I ordered this back in February. It finally just came in. It's now July 10th, I believe. So I've been waiting quite a while. I was kind of sketched about it at first. Ordered it through a place in Texas. I live in Ohio. It finally came in, like I was saying. Delivery fee, everything included. It was under 2,000, street legal. It can be plated. It's titled. Overall, so far, I haven't got a plate yet, but I'm impressed with the little bit of putting around I've been doing around here for what it is. I mean, you're paying for a cheaper bike. That's what you're getting. But I don't feel like you should hesitate at all to hop on it and go for a cruise. I'll start it up. It's a cold start. You'll see it runs pretty good. It's got a fully digital display. Fires right up, no problems. I'm actually surprised. It has like a stainless steel kind of exhaust, I believe, on it. Disc brakes, inverted front forks. Headlights, high beams, tail lights, brake lights, turn signals, all that. Mirrors, fully functional. It's got a horn.